Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to drift a Nissan Maxima. Begin by choosing a safe, legal area like a closed course or track and wear safety gear. Learn throttle control and countersteer gently, using progressive inputs to feel the car break traction. Practice clutch kicks or feints at low speeds, always prioritizing smooth transitions and controlled recoveries to build confidence and consistency behind. In this video, I will show how to drift a Nissan Maxima. Start with gentle initiations like weight transfer or a small feint to learn the car's balance. Keep your hands relaxed and eyes looking through the corner, ready to countersteer as the rear steps out. Modulate throttle to maintain the drift angle, and practice exits where you smoothly reduce angle and align the car for acceleration without abrupt corrections. In this video, I will show how to drift a Nissan Maxima. Focus on smooth countersteer and calm throttle adjustments to hold angle while avoiding sudden moves. Learn to feel when to reduce angle and reapply power for a clean exit, keeping the car balanced and predictable. If the drift tightens or spins, ease off and steer into the slide, then regain composure before attempting the next run to build reliable technique.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.